So the other day, iOS 17.2 actually ended up coming out, and what's super crazy is this is probably one of the bigger updates Apple has actually pushed out in a pretty long time. And the thing that I actually love about iOS 17.2 is that it actually brings some of the most important features that iOS 17 was originally going to bring. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, if we actually take a look at the current lineup of the features that Apple actually pushed out originally that were supposed to come out within iOS 17, a lot of them haven't even came out yet. When we take a look at things like the journal application, one of the biggest things that Apple is going to end up bringing in that next version of software, guess what? They actually didn't end up bringing it, which was honestly pretty insane. It took so many versions of software until Apple actually officially released it. And now within iOS 17.2 Beta 1, we actually have that version of software now in that feature set, which is honestly very, very awesome. So that in and of itself is a very big feature. Now the cool thing about the journal application, in my opinion, is that from what I've seen from a lot of Google Trend searches, this is one of the most requested things that people are still curious and wondering why Apple still hasn't even released it yet. When I take a look at pretty much every single, forum post on Reddit, every single iPhone thing, comment, whatever, it's always, where's the journal application? And guess what? We finally have that journal app on our devices, which is so exciting. So as of this point, that's exactly where we're at, which is so surprising and so awesome. The journal application brings a lot, but that's not the only thing that Apple pushed out within this specific update. They actually also gave us app sticker tapback reactions. So now what we can do is we can actually react to certain people's, messages in iMessage, not only via a thumbs up, a heart, like whatever other emoji thing. You can actually do it via adding a sticker to those messages, which is genuinely so cool. So now we have that type of capability too, which once again, before we didn't have that type of capability. So I'm very, very happy that we have that type of, capability now in feature set, that we have that type of feature now. Now on top of that, Apple Music inside of playlists also got a little bit of an update as well. So now we actually have the ability of going through and creating playlists within Apple Music that people can basically go ahead and add. And now we have that type of capability once again, which is cool. And we also have favorites inside of Apple Music, which is another really cool thing, particularly inside of playlists. Now you also have the little listening history focus filter, which is cool. You also have a new translate, feature inside of the action button, which is another really cool feature. You also have contact key verification. The list goes on and on. Overall, iOS 17.2 is a pretty cool update. I'm so glad Apple, pushed it out, and it's going to be very exciting to see what ends up happening within 17.2 in the official version. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.